Hey, what's up everybody? Today we got another install for you, but it's not going to be on my Supra. It's actually going to be on my buddy Daniel's F80 M3. And today we're actually going to be installing a Studio RSR 4-point roll cage. So he actually unboxed it already, fit it into his car. He needed his dad's help, but we can't take it out of the trunk. I'm actually going to show you guys us taking it out right now. Hell yeah, dude, that thing's actually a lot heavier than I thought. That's not the chromoly one, is it? Now that we got the roll cage out of the car, we're gonna unbox it and put it back in the car. We finally unboxed and unwrapped the RSR roll cage. The first thing we're gonna do, it's actually pretty easy. You wanna remove these two side pillars, and all you have to do is tug it, and it comes off. One of the mounting points is going to be right there. So that's step one. We're going to do it to the other side. Next, we're going to move both seats all the way up just to give us all the room we need to work right there. Holy! What we're going to do first, we're going to go ahead and thread in the bolts by hand just to position the cage.
What the fuck?
Don't worry, I got a magnet. Dude, I thought you dropped it again. Bro, did you drop it? Yo, that was funny as fuck, dude.
Hey, yo.
That was pretty fucking funny. Boom, it worked, bro! Pro tip, when you guys are trying to hold the nut or the bolt from underneath, you're not going to be able to fit it in here underneath, that you can slip it through and hold the nut from the bottom. So we were trying to figure that out for a while, but you're gonna need something that's a little angled like this. So we're gonna go ahead and use the Allen bolts. We're gonna tighten up this bar so we make sure it doesn't move and it's secure, so that we can outline where we're gonna go ahead and cut the carpet. So we have the cage slightly bolted in. What we're gonna do now, just to make sure it's perfect, is Dan's gonna measure the distance.
2 inches.
2 inches. We're gonna tape off in a square, and then we're gonna cut an X. Now we're gonna jack up the car so we can remove the little trim panels underneath. Jimmy just finally came 4 hours later. Finally, Jimmy. So let's bolt up everything up here first before we start drilling. We're near it, guys. Jimmy's back and he's helping now. We tightened the roll cage all up right now. Normally, some people mark where the holes are, pull the cage off, and then drill the holes. We're actually gonna go ahead and drill it with it still on there because we got a drill extension. So we should be able to drill it all the way down without having to move the cage at all. Look, this is the scariest part probably out of the whole install. All of it's pretty easy and a straight bolt on. The scariest part is drilling the mounting holes on the floor. Oh, baby! We fucking did it. Oh, hell yeah. We're fucking professionals, dude. Woohoo! All right, so we got this side of the cage bolted all the way down. So you're gonna need to drill your 3 holes for the cage, and then you're gonna put the sandwich plate underneath the car, and then washer and bolt and nut secured all the way down. For some of the installs that I've seen online, a lot of people mark the holes, then pull out the cage, and then drill the holes because there's a really tight room working around here. But if you have an extension like this for your drill bit, you're gonna actually be able to just, drill the holes through with the cage already in position, which was much easier and it took a lot less time. So if you guys can't get an extension, I think this only works for the M3. If you're doing the M4, I think you have to remove it. All right, we're finally finished bolting it all down. We had to close the garage because it was so cold. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. When Daniel first told me he got a roll cage and he asked to install it here, I've never done anything like this before, so I was kind of scared that you have to drill through the chassis to mount the roll cage. But we freaking did it, guys.
You did it.
We fucking did it. Fucking race car shit. I'm so proud of myself. for trying to fucking do this. This is pretty cool. This is fucking solid. It ain't going anywhere. So Daniel's tightening up the bottom, and then we're just gonna these are the last ones we have to tighten, and then we're all done. And then we'll go eat. We did it, man.
Thanks, guys.
Oh shit. Daniel's gonna go ahead and scooch his seats back. Look how hard it is.
Get in there in sections, bro. Ain't going nowhere.
Damn, that looks so freaking cool.
Yep, truly.
You good, bro?
Yes, sir.
Damn. We started at 2 o'clock. Right now it's 6:44. We took some breaks. We actually went to go walk the dogs and we took our time. But honestly, doing this, if we were to do it again, we could probably knock it out in 2 hours or less, I think. All right, later, Jimmy.
Later.
Later.
Thank you, Dan. Thank you, Dan.
See you guys. You got this. You don't need my help no more. Oh, you're angling way too early, bro. Damn, look at that. You guys see? Three-wheeling. All right, y'all. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed different content. So not only do you guys get super content now, you guys get M3 content. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. A couple days have actually passed since we installed the roll cage into Dan's car, and we have all the buddies over to get their reaction right now. Hey Brett, what do you think of Dan's roll cage? Raymond?
That shit ain't going nowhere.
Bro, give it a shakedown test, Jimmy.
Look at that shit.
I'll never do that to my car.
Watch this. We're gonna put you on the hood and we're gonna shake the car. Holy fuck, the whole thing was shaking, dude. We took this to a meet and everybody loves the race car look that Dan's done with the bucket seats and the roll cage. But after posting a TikTok about the roll cage, we got so many hater comments that we want to address today. Dan, what do you want to say to the haters?
The haters.
Oh, okay. Comment number 1. Take the seats out. What's the point?
Yo, I sleep in here, dude.
Second comment. Definitely didn't need to drill into the car. Those 2 bolts next to the seats were enough.
Huh?
Question number 3 by Obey Frances. Can you still have passengers in the back?
Yup. Uh-huh.
Next question. What's the point of adding a roll cage? Next question. Does he daily the car? Question. How much was the kit?
More than you can afford, pal.
Another comment. Don't trust it to save you though.
What?
Why not get an M4?
Uh-huh.
Looks cool, but it's a coupe now.
Yup.
Those holes are gonna rust, my boy.
It's aluminum.
Bolt-on cages are garbage.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Easy way to ruin a street car. You ain't going to track that.
Yep.
Why you doing all that?
Then do that spine button.